Hello and welcome to the Zgadget review. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Echo Dot Generation 3. Let's cover the box. We have the Echo Dot here. Alexa to any room. Ooh. Some of the commands you can do. Amazon, Farfield with control. Some of the services are compatible with it. Explanation what Alexa is, what an Echo Dot is. I guess if you don't know what Alexa is, then maybe you've been living under a cave. But if you don't know what Alexa is a voice assistant by Amazon. And if you've been living under a rock or in a cave, I felt really bad for you. It must have been pretty lonely. Welcome to the real world. Here we have the Echo Dot Generation 3. Look at that, there's a smile by Amazon. Here we have it. Another smile by Amazon, or a frowny face. I don't know, depends on how you want to see it. Frowny, smile. Frowny, smile. Put this on the side. So what do we have here? Echo Dot. Assuming it's the manual. Yep, Echo Dot manual. Uninstall it and stuff. Wow. Put that here. Things to try out. So some of the things you can tell the Echo Dot to do. And then we have the power cable. Put this, stays neat. Power cable. It's a lot bigger than the one from before. Oh, and the connection is also different. Look at that. So let's go and look at the Echo Dot Gen 3. So it's very soft to the touch. The buttons here are the buttons, the power, the button to mute it is raised, and also the button to call it, volume. And the bottom of it we have, it's rubberized. I'm assuming it's rubberized so it won't slide. Then we have, this is a fabric, but here if you want to take a closer look at it, so here we have the power connector, and now you can connect an auxiliary cable to speaker or sound system. But yeah, looks really nice, feels really nice. I'm gonna get the Alexa Echo Gen 2 to compare sizes. So here we have the box for the Echo Dot Gen 2 to compare the size. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot bigger box than the Generation 2. Then we have the Echo Dot 2. Has the Amazon branding. It is shiny plastic as well. The whole thing is plastic. You'll notice here it is for the microphones. What they've done on this one, if they put the microphones out here instead of putting them here to look like another speaker grill, the speaker is at the bottom here. It's also rubberized. This one is rubberized, but I think the speaker is around, so you can kind of see there the speaker grill. I don't know if you can kind of tell there, but yeah, it looks like the speaker goes around. and then also it's bigger. So if you see, the Gen 2 dot is smaller. In every single way. So generation 3, then we have the power. So Gen 2 power, Gen 3 power, bigger power source. Also the Gen 2 used to connect with a micro USB. As you can see here, it still has the auxiliary port there. So auxiliary port, micro SD, and then this actually has a proper power supply. So there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Echo Dot Generation 3 and the comparison with the Echo Gen 2. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, a lot more things coming up. Thank you.